Guys, it's Sarah, Beauty and More 51. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for just a little bit.
Hey guys, Beauty and More 51.
Guys, what's up? I'm gonna be doing a total e.l.f. product tutorial today. Everyone, I'm gonna be doing a haul today.
I wanted to do a hair tutorial for you today.
A completed foundation look. That's pretty much what I do every day. And I'm gonna be doing the $20 makeup challenge today. Hey everyone, I'm gonna be doing a swatches/reviews video. Okay, maybe a little bit longer than I thought. But I wanted to come back to you guys with a video of recreating my old tutorial. It's gonna be my most liked tutorial with like 200 views. I'm so proud of that, from years ago. Everything's not the exact same. I couldn't get my hands on some of the items from the old tutorial, but I tried to work with what I have now. So yeah, enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment. I think that's what people say now. Alright guys, so we're going to start out with priming our eyes. It's very important. I've done it for years, every single time. In the old video, I did use a MAC paint pot in Paint Chili, which is my absolute favorite. It's kind of pricey. So lately I've been using the Essence eyeshadow base, and this one works just as well. Alrighty, and to start off with the eyeshadow, I am going to be using the Morphe So Iconic 9 Eye Palette in this middle color right here, this light medium tone brown. This is in the color Diam, or this one right here, and I will be also using a Morphe M441 brush as well. As you can tell in my last video, I definitely didn't know what I was doing, so I have gotten a little bit better with knowing my eye shape and exactly how some things work for me. It might not always work for you. Kind of play around, see what you like. I like it a little bit subtle, but a little bit of a pop, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, now that the transition color is done, we are going a little bit backwards from my old video. It's just, I don't know what I was thinking. So we're going to go in with the Amber Rush, which is pretty much the whole star of this whole rose gold tutorial. And in my last video, I did put a base down under it, the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Yogurt, I believe. You definitely don't need it. This color is just amazing. Did you hear that? Make your eye like surprised.
Like, you're really surprised?
Okay. So how I'm going to handle this is I'm going to go back to Morphe, the 35F Fall Into Frost palette. Mine's pretty dirty. Usually what I use are these colors down here for any type of darkness I want to put in the corner. I'm going to be using probably this darkest color, a little bit of a black, a little bit of a navy blue. I'm going to be using the other fluffy side of my flat shader brush I just did use for that rose gold color. Use any kind of dark color that you do have. There's no really right or wrong answer to this, obviously, as you saw in my last video. Pretty much go over that Diam color. Definitely don't want to put too much. I don't want to lose that transition, but I do want to liven up this corner here. Okay, now that that's done, I am going to go back in with that L'Oreal color like I said before. Some of the color does get kind of lost in there, and we definitely don't want that. So I'm going to pat it on about 2 more times or so. Alright, any matte black is going to do. This is just an old one from Ulta with a Morphe M506. This is a very small, tight crease brush. Since my eyes are hooded, it works perfectly just to get that definer in there and add a little bit of depth. So you don't want it to look flat. Okay, so the only thing I don't like about the infallible eyeshadows is that all of this fallout here on my face. I definitely recommend doing your eyeshadow using these infallible shadows before your face makeup. It will be a little bit difficult to wipe only because of the kind of shimmers that are on here. Like, I wiped it off and you can still see pretty bright. But I love it so much. The color payoff, I really don't mind it. I just know to definitely do it before. It gets a little bit messy. Alright, you guys, that is it for the main part of the eyeshadow. I'm going to do my lower lash line, eyeliner, brows, highlight. After I do my foundation, I just feel like it lays really nicely and pretty clean. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I did go ahead and do my foundation, concealer, bronzer, all of that. I'm gonna do my eyeliner now, which is my favorite part. Okay, and in my old video, I did go ahead and put a gold shadow on my lower lash line. I'm gonna go back in with that Morphe palette with Cairo. This really beautiful gold. Oh my god, it's amazing. So pretty. So I'm just gonna use a little, this is like a Walmart brush, really nothing spectacular. I'm just gonna put that on here and put it on the lower lash line. Alrighty, and one of the last eyeshadow things for this whole entire look is highlight. I just used, again, this cheap Walmart brush that I found quite a while ago, dual-ended. And again, I'm gonna go back in with a palette. The first one right here is called Bliss.
My absolute favorite highlight color.
And all mankind.
I'm not even sure that I put a highlight on in my last video. I don't remember. Alright, we're just about done. So now I have the Essence False Lashes Mascara Dramatic Volume Unlimited. Alright guys, I am done with this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I really brought back a lot of memories for me sitting here recording videos. I'm still learning, still trying to get back in the hang of it, so bear with me. Any kind of comments, suggestions, recommendations, whatever kind of videos you guys would like, definitely put it down in the comments. I really kind of want to build some type of relationship with you guys now that I am back. New subscribers, old subscribers, people who don't even know who I am. I really do appreciate you sitting through this tutorial. But yeah, I really had a great time and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!